Some time ago, I did a video dealing with the 4G SG4G formula that the Home Business Academy uses to create a feeling of what to do on a daily basis to further your business. And if you are a member of this company, you have the ability for the first S. You have the systems that they've put into place. And I've looked at other companies and they have systems too. But the systems that the HBA puts into place are videos on teaching you how to market and convert into sales for your business. And so when you join, they want you to first look at these videos, these systems that are in place to try and help you. And then the G part is the groups. And they have a Facebook group where you can go and post your questions or needs and talk to people. We also have other ways to get a hold of people, but basically that's where you post it. And if you can't get an answer there, then they are addressed in our masterminds. And we have 11 masterminds every week. There's 5 of an inspirational Grow Rich call where you can go and learn to be inspired and to help you learn on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. But then they also have a Monday night What's Working Now mastermind, where we have guests who come on and share what they're doing to make sales. And then we have on Monday through Friday the traffic and conversion mastermind, where Mike and Paul, the owners of the company, demonstrate what they're doing, and people can talk and ask questions. And then all the questions that are put on the Facebook group every day are answered at that time. Also on Saturdays, they have a masterminds for those that are new to our company to get them acclimated into the company. So those are the groups that we have. Then the 4Gs are, the first thing is to grow. That means to read books, to be involved in the Grow Rich Mastermind call if you can, to listen to audio tapes, to listen to other types of information, and to try and listen and grow your mind. And then the next thing is to give value, to share what you know with others, to help others, to give back to the community if you can, and also to give value when you share content in your business. And to give more than you get. And then the third thing is to get leads, and the last G is to get sales. So those are the parts of the SG4G formula that I wanted to share with you. They're real important and they're valuable. And so that's what I wanted to do. I did a video on it before, but I wanted to do another one just to kind of update, give further thoughts to some of the things. But if you are looking to get into a business where you get tremendous community, tremendous help, then give me a call, contact me, because I've got this business for you, and it's got a lot of ramifications that can help you make money in a big way with a lot of help in a community that surrounds you and helps you grow. So have a good day, and we will talk to you soon. God bless you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.